Hello children. So I'm back again with a new chapter from Living English book, that is Clever Raja. This is the name of the chapter, that is chapter number 5. And you can see the picture also here. This is a picture of horse. And in this chapter you will see that how the animals are faithful to humans. So let's begin. Let's start. Minnie, Suzanne, and Aman are playing with Jumbo. Who is Jumbo? This is the name of an elephant. And here you can see there is a picture of elephant. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Children, questions are given. Here two questions are given. You have to write the answers. Okay, you have to give the answers of these questions. First question is how many animals are there in the picture? So you have to count the number of animals that is given in the picture. Like the one is Jumbo, that is elephant, one cat, dog, rat, and here one bird. Okay, so in all there are 5 animals in this picture. Give a special name for any 4 of these animals. You have to give the special name. Okay, you have to give the special name of these animals. Okay, any 4, all right, of your choice. Let's read a story. Hari Biswa was a vegetable seller. Vegetable seller means who sells vegetables. And Hari Biswa, it's a name of a person. He had a horse named Raja. Children, Hari has a horse and the name of the horse is Raja. Every morning, Hari loaded his cart with fresh vegetables. Loaded means to carry heavy loads, and cart means I just show you in the picture. See, this is a cart. Okay, wheels vehicle which is drawn by someone. So Hari put the means Hari tied this cart with Raja and puts fresh vegetables. Okay, and he went to a nearby village to sell them. He used to sell the vegetables in a village. Raja went clip clop, clip clop, clip clop. So children, how does a horse moves? How does a horse move? As when he moves, so this kind of sounds comes like clip clop. This is the sound of its feet. Okay, so Raja went clip clop, clip clop, clip clop. As Raja is a horse, so Hari and Raja would go from house to house and sell vegetables. Generally, we see that vegetable sellers do not go house to house. If we talk about like cities, we see in the cities, generally people do not go from house to house and sell vegetables. But here we are reading a story related to village. So Hari and Raja go from house to house and sell vegetables. By evening, the cart would be empty and they would return home happy. Okay, they would return home happy. Why? Because Hari used to earn money by selling vegetables. Okay, that's why he was happy. Everybody in the village knew Raja. Everybody liked him, children, as we love our pets. So people used to love Raja and also they used to pet it. Pet it means showing means love and affection. Okay, so people love Raja. People would come out of their houses to pet Raja and buy vegetables from Hari. One morning, Hari was not feeling well. However, he set out with the vegetable cart. Hari's head began to ache. Ache means pain. Okay, so one morning Hari was not feeling well. Okay, sometimes it happens we do not feel well. So in the same way, Hari was not feeling well. His head began to pain. Ache means pain. Here we are on next page. He wanted to go home. Come Raja, let's go back. I am feeling very sick. So here children, Hari wanted to go home because he was not feeling well. His head began to ache. So he said Raja that come back. But Raja did not come back. He trotted on. Trotted means to move ahead. He keeps moving on. Hari's headache became worse, so his head became aching very much. So he left Raja with the cart and returned home. Raja went from one house to the next with the cart. He stopped at all the houses where they would stop every day. So here, as they like usually stopped every houses, so in the same way, Raja stopped at all the houses where they used to stop every day. If nobody came out, Raja would stomp his hoofs and neigh loudly. As Hari used to call the people, so here what Raja is doing, like he stomp his hoof. Stomp means, children, when we force our feet on the ground, okay, with very loud voice. Okay, and hooves means the hard part at the bottom of the feet of horse. Okay, so Raja would stomp his hooves and neigh loudly. Neigh means this is a kind of sound that horse produce. Okay, so the villagers opened their doors. Even though they did not see Hari, they took the vegetables and put the money in the money box. Here you have seen that Raja is very clever. Raja is very smart. He is like selling the vegetables in the same manner as Hari used to do. And people are so honest. They took the vegetables and put the money in the money box. After the sun went down, Raja came back home. Sun went down means this is the time of evening. So Raja came home after selling the vegetables. Hari heard Raja's clip clop and ran out. So hearing the sound of Raja's clip clop, in the sound of its feet, Raja's Hari comes out. Hari was feeling better now. He was happy to see that all the vegetables had been sold. Here Hari is very happy. Why? Because even alone, like Raja has sold all the vegetables. So Hari gave Raja a big hug. So Hari gave Raja a big hug. He showed his love and affection to Raja. Hari's wife fed juicy carrots to Raja. Here you can see that Raja is having he's eating juicy carrots. Okay, so that was all about the chapter. So what is the moral of the story? That animals are very clever and they love to help us. Okay, in return they only want love from us. So we should never mistreat them, we should never hurt them, and we should always love them. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. Now we'll start back exercise of the chapter. Match the columns to complete the sentences. So here you have to match the column. Hari Biswa had a horse named Raja. As horse name is Raja. Second is Hari and Raja would go from house to sell vegetables. Okay, so you have to complete it as you have read the chapter. Next one is read the sentence and correct the questions. Come Raja, let's go back. Who said this? Come Raja, let's go back. Hari. Who was Raja? Horse. Where did the speaker want to go? Home. Complete these sentences. Hari Biswa was a vegetable seller. He took vegetables to a nearby village. Hari and Raja would go from house to house and sell vegetables. Okay. By evening the cart would be empty. Write yes or no for these sentences. Raja was a vegetable seller? No. Raja is a horse. Okay. Raja is the name of a horse. Hari sold fruits to the villagers? No. He sells vegetables. Everyone in the village liked Raja? Yes. Raja went to the shops in the village? No. The villagers put vegetables in the box? No. They put money in the box. E part, read the words on the word wall. So here words are written. You have to read first of all. Like new, drew, grew. These are like rhyming words. Would, could, should. Cart, art, start, alone, corn and stone. Filling the blanks with words from the word wall. So here you have to complete these sentences. You have to filling the blanks from these words. The first one is salt. That is the tree dash very tall, grew very tall. And this word is taken from this wall. Second one is dash you please show me the way to the library. Here two words are written like could, would. You may write any one. Okay, both are correct. Nature week will start tomorrow. Okay, so you have to complete this. F is write the opposites of the word in gray and complete the sentences. So you have to write the opposites which are underlined. Okay, opposite of these words which are underlined, like I got all the sums right, not a single one was. So what is the opposite of right? That is wrong. This bed is not hard. What is the opposite of hard? Soft. It is soft. Granny is old. And what is the opposite of old, young. Mummy is young. So children, you have to complete this. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.